Welcome to the introduction trailer for Start Your Dream Company, the essential guide to building a successful business in modern India. The time for simply dreaming is over. It's time to light the fuse on your ambition. Look at the horizon. A new day is dawning over the entrepreneurial landscape of India, filled with possibility for every determined individual. What if today was the day your entrepreneurial journey begins? What if the business idea you've carried for years could finally become a thriving company? India's growth is powered by technology. The digital revolution is democratizing business like never before. From online businesses and digital payments to e-commerce and AI technology, the foundation for global success is ready. India is experiencing one of the greatest entrepreneurial revolutions in history. Technology, digital platforms, artificial intelligence, and government initiatives have made it possible for anyone with determination and a vision to build a successful business. But how do you bridge the gap between a great idea and a successful enterprise? It starts with a clear journey. Follow the proven transformation journey: dream, decision, learning, execution, and finally, growth. Visualize entrepreneurs brainstorming, launching products, and meeting customers. Entrepreneurship is not a talent reserved for a few. It is a learnable skill. Every successful company begins with a dream, followed by action. Before achieving success, we must address the internal barriers that hold most people back. Display common fears such as failure, lack of money, competition, and uncertainty. Transform these fears into opportunities and solutions. The world is full of unsolved problems. We highlight high-growth sectors, from AI and healthcare to e-commerce, where immense value can be created. Fear is natural. Every entrepreneur experiences doubt, but success belongs to those who take the first step and keep moving forward. Never before have there been so many opportunities to create value, solve problems, and build meaningful businesses. Once the courage is found, the focus shifts to building a recognizable brand and utilizing cutting-edge tools. Learn how to build a company, create a trusted brand, develop products, attract customers, and transform knowledge into lasting success through digital marketing and trust building. Artificial intelligence is the modern salesperson's superpower. See how AI tools expedite market research, content creation, and customer engagement. Discover how artificial intelligence and digital tools can help entrepreneurs launch faster, operate smarter, and compete globally. The stage is set. The knowledge is within reach. All that remains is the decision to start. This book is your blueprint for success. You do not need perfect conditions. You do not need unlimited money. You only need the courage to begin. Every great company was once an idea. Start your dream company today. Closing text: Start Your Dream Company by Dr. Shashi Bhushan Sinha. Available in 20 volumes. Watch next for Module 1, Why Entrepreneurship is the New Career, and start your path to lasting success.